Are you ready to unlock the hidden money codes that are lying right there in your subconscious mind using the law of attraction? So, whether you're a hypnotist, a coach, a healer, creative entrepreneur, if you are not manifesting $10,000 months yet, this video is about to change everything for you. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist, #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction, and the founder of the BELIEVE Hypnosis App and the creator of the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind, where spiritual entrepreneurs come to learn how to manifest more income, more clients, and generate $10,000 months. So today I am getting ready to show you the exact energetic blueprint that I teach my clients to go from stuck and struggling to prosperous and powerful. We're going to dive into how the law of attraction really works when it comes to money, not just thinking about wealth, but actually being in the vibration that is the truth of your identity. You're going to walk away knowing exactly how to tap into your subconscious mind to align your thoughts, your emotions, and take action in full alignment to create those massive income shifts, especially if you are a hypnotist or someone who is in the healing or energy profession. I am here to serve you. So before we dive in, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you never miss a weekly manifestation breakthrough or daily even. And go ahead and comment below. What is your next big money goal? I want to cheer you on. I want to know. And when you declare it, it is a much, much easier thing to manifest. So go ahead, step up, declare what it is that you're working on manifesting income wise, clients wise, business wise, whatever it is, let us know in the comments so everybody else can see that and they can see you in the version of you who already does that. And so here is the very first thing that we want to get into. We want to talk about thought frequency and money. Thought frequency and money. So most people do not focus on what they want. They focus on what they don't have. And this becomes the dominant vibration. In hypnosis and law of attraction, we already know that thoughts ultimately become things. Now, it's not like a magical thing. It's not like you think something and poof, it just ends up there, but it does go through a process. Everything that you see around you, everything that was ever created, it began as a thought. So ultimately, thoughts do become your reality. But if your thoughts are consistently rooted in lack, what I don't have, and you're complaining about that, and you're thinking about how bad it is, and you're telling yourself things like, I can't afford it, and money is the root of all evils, and those, and this is a scam, and all of these things, then ultimately you're just setting yourself up to stay in that lack programming. You're just programming your subconscious mind to stay in that same old story, the loop. So those negative affirmations that keep running around in your mind, I can't afford that. That is a command that you're sending to your subconscious mind. I cannot tell you how many times I hear people say that, and it's just confounding to me that people don't already know this, but that just and that's just the beginning. I mean, this is just basic. This is just basic law of attraction one-on-one. When you say, I can't afford it, you're literally programming yourself to never, ever be able to afford that. So what do you want to do instead? And this is part of what I teach in my mastermind community. I pick up on these little subtle nuances that most people, they're just not aware that they're saying things to themselves that are keeping them stuck exactly where they are. So what we want to do is we want to learn how to catch those affirmations when you start hearing yourself say that, and you want to reverse those affirmations with something more positive. So it could be just as simple as I am choosing, or you could even just turn that around to how can I afford that? That can literally change the whole trajectory of your money frequency, is just switching that around. Like, what can I do to put myself in a better position? When you ask a question like that, your subconscious mind must find answer. That's what it does. It's a problem solver. So if you just presented it with a problem in the form of like a question like that, it's going to give you answers. So I choose to be somebody who creates lots and lots of money. I'm choosing to learn. I'm choosing to put myself into situations, circumstances, and with the people that are manifesting money so I can learn how to do that. So whatever it is, ultimately, as you're saying these words change your vibration, they change the frequency, and they change what kind of opportunities you're exposing yourself to. And as you expose yourself to more opportunities, see, it's really logical at the end of the day. There's a whole process behind the scenes that really takes place. Just as soon as you start to change your thoughts, change the words, change the feelings, you're going to ultimately see new actions that you can act upon. You're going to change who you are. You're going to change how you act. You're going to change the kind of people that you attract into your life. You're going to change the kind of opportunities that are coming available to you. So I want you to be very, very clear and honest with yourself. What is the money belief that you are ready to reprogram today? What is the one that keeps circling around and recreating your life in exactly that same way? Because at the end of the day, law of attraction is really all about taking responsibility for the results that we create and creating better results by changing the way that we speak to ourselves. And, it doesn't happen overnight. It happens through consistency. It happens through repetition. It happens through deep emotional programming into the subconscious mind. So let us know, what is one money belief that you are ready to reprogram and let go of today? I will personally reply to a few of you with some ideas with some new affirmations. So if you want to get the new affirmations, just go ahead and drop the old one that you've been saying. Or even if you're not even clear about it, ask me, is this one that might be damaging my subconscious mind? And most likely it is. The next piece of this is hypnosis is your secret weapon to grow your income. If you're a hypnotist or a coach, you already know that your subconscious mind is running the show. But how often are you actually using your own tools to rewire your beliefs around money? Sometimes it actually just does it does require having somebody else to look at you objectively. It's really hard sometimes to see yourself and see. Even I have my own people that I go to for coaching and for hypnosis. And I've been doing this for over 26 years. Even I was on a call the other day with a new mindset coach that I'm working with. And boy, she was able to pick up on all kinds of things. And I'm like, I'm one of the most reputable hypnotists in our industry. I've been doing this for longer than most people have even known what hypnosis is. And so if I'm running around still having my own blind spots, what do you think you that has maybe been doing this for 2 or 3, maybe 5 years, what do you think, you're still running around with? And so I would love to be able to look at you, and it's harder to look at ourselves objectively. It's much easier for somebody else to see what's going on with you. So obviously, as you know, self-hypnosis, guided hypnosis can install new money beliefs much more deeply. Visualizing more, the daily sales that you want, visualizing clients booking sessions with you, visualizing the little ding that happens whenever you get an email or a message that you've got a new order, you've got new PayPal coming in, or that you've got new Stripe coming in, all of that. Start to work on visualizing these things and you're going to start to reprogram your subconscious mind. Use the Believe app with sessions like, manifest 10K months, manifest 20K months. I actually have a new one for that. And I have programs for millionaire vibes. I have all kinds of amazing programs inside of my Believe app. It is so, so amazing. I get so many amazing testimonials on it. And so download that. You're going to be surprised at how many um, sessions are already free and unlocked for you inside the app. And so, have you ever tried hypnosis? I don't know, maybe you're a hypnotist. I work with all kinds of creative entrepreneurs, but mostly hypnotists are the ones that are coming to me lately because they see what I've been able to create and they just want to be able to have that kind of success in their own career. And so that's one of the main people that I work with, but I work with all kinds of creative, spiritual entrepreneurs, people in the healing industry, people that do really, really good work, but you just are not visible. You're not getting yourself out there. People, you are really good at what you do, but how can you actually do what you're really, really good at if you don't have clients and income? And so I help people to get that. That's what I've been put on this planet to do is help people like you who are doing such beautiful, good work in the world to, to change that, to change your relationship with money and clients and have more of it. But you got to get yourself here. You got to bring yourself to the table. And so I have a community now recently that I created on School called Powerful Manifestor Mastermind, where we work on all of this and you create a master blueprint for exactly how you're going to make money. And last week we went through this 7-day activation period. And oh my God, everybody got so, so much clarity on it. It's so fun. And I just want you to experience what we all just went through. So many breakthroughs were happening. But here's the truth. Manifestation requires action and alignment. Manifestation is not something that just think passively about what you want and you don't just sit around on a pillow and chant affirmations all day long, which I think is some people actually think that you're going to go into your meditation, then all of a sudden, clients are going to show up. It doesn't exactly work that way. How it actually works is you become the version of you who already lives that life. And as you become different, as you start to line up your thinking, your energy, your vibration, your belief system, then you can't help but to start behaving like somebody who earns 6 figures a year, earns 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 a month, whatever it is for you. You become that version who already lives that life, and then you start taking different actions. But those actions become like more normal how you really are now. This is just who you are now, and you take action that's in alignment with your new identity. And that's what I teach people how to do, is how to create a new identity. You've just been playing a role. You've been playing small. You've been living out your old story. You've been telling people this old story over and over and over again. I know because I hear the stories. All right, people tell me the story, and it's like, then they'll tell me the same story a year later, and they haven't taken any action. They're still telling the same old story over and over again. This always happens, right? You gotta let go. You gotta let go of that old story and decide that you deserve a different story, and then you create a new story. And that's what I help people to do, is create a new story, new identity, shift your language, tell yourself that you're wealthy, tell yourself that you're successful, tell yourself that you are an amazing hypnotist helping clients to transform their lives daily, or whatever profession, it aligns with you. And then you take those inspired actions. You post your offers. You make the videos. Connect with people. You have conversations. You're able to pitch your program. You're able to go live. You're able to raise your rates. You're able to stop working one on, selling one package at one session at a time and start to create packages that are designed about what is really going to give people the transformation that they want. So money flows to you when you move. You're the one that's actually moving and taking the action on it. Money's not like literally coming to you. Like it doesn't walk. It doesn't have wings to fly. It doesn't do that. What it does is it comes to you through you taking certain actions and people pay you. And that is just another way that I want you to start to think about your affirmations instead of like money flows to me from all directions. Actually, I mean, it metaphorically, maybe yes, but in reality, people pay me. People pay me what I'm worth. People buy my packages. These are the kinds of things I want you to start to develop some confidence around. So I want to ask you right now, what is one action that you could take today as your abundant self and post that below in the comments. Now, don't just post something and not take action on it. Take action on it. Go do it. And if you're ready to truly be the person who is in alignment with consistent 10K months as a hypnotist or as a spiritual coach, then I want to invite you right now to step into my world that I have created for you. This is designed exactly for spiritual coaches and creative entrepreneurs. It's called the Powerful Manifester Mastermind. Is where I am pulling back the curtain and sharing with you everything I know that has helped me to create a multi-million-dollar empire. Okay? Look at all the books that I have written. Look at all of the apps, the courses, the workshops, everything that I do. It all comes from just as a certain way that I think. And it's a way that I think that I manifest things. And I'm going to teach you how to think that way. I'm going to teach you how to not just talk about money, but manifest money. So you're going to get live accountability, coaching, hypnosis sessions, the full 10K blueprint. And don't forget, my Believe Hypnosis app has over 1,000 powerful sessions to help you to rewire your money mindset, build confidence, unlock your full potential starting today. So go ahead and click the link right now in the description so that you can get on board at the existing price that I'm offering this for. Oh, and there is a 7-day free trial. So here's what you do. You take 7 days and you go through my 7-day 10K activation. I've got a new action for you to take every day, and you're going to come away at the end of 7 days with a fully designed roadmap that is crystal clear on how you will manifest 10K months. You come away from this experience over a 7-day free trial, and then you decide. If you need the mindset work to help you to actually shift your thinking, shift your beliefs, get focused, get the accountability, get the consistency going with this, and watch what you will blossom into. So if you loved this video, if this was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs to have a money breakthrough, and subscribe to my channel for more manifesting magic every single day. You have got this, and you deserve to make more money. You do. You are worthy and you are ready. And I look forward to seeing you in the Powerful Manifester Mastermind and in the Believe app. These things, these tools are going to change your life. I promise you. Okay. Take the 7 days to figure that out for yourself and then decide. Don't draw any conclusions until you've actually been inside of our beautiful mastermind and experienced our community. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.